Welcome back to our channel. Today we are covering Salesforce Certified Platform Developer 2. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is: customer billing data must be added and updated into Salesforce from a remote system on weekly basis. Additionally, customer activity information must be extracted from Salesforce and put it into an on-premises data warehouse on a weekly basis. Which approach should be used to import data into Salesforce and export data out of Salesforce? Taking into consideration that these imports and exports can interfere with end-user operations during business hours and involve large amounts of data. Option A: Batch Apex, where Salesforce pushes data to and pulls data from the remote systems. Option B: Replication via third-party ETL to push data into Salesforce and pull data out in batches. Option C: Salesforce Connect to push data to and pull data from the remote systems. And option D: Call in directly from each remote system to Salesforce APIs to push and pull the data. The correct answer is option C. Next question is: a company exposes a REST web service and wants to establish two-way SSL between Salesforce and the REST web service. A certificate signed by an appropriate certificate authority has been provided to the developer. What modification is necessary on the Salesforce side? Choose two options. Option A: create an entry for the certificate in Certificate and Key Management. Option B: update the code to use HTTP request set client certificate name. Option C: configure two-factor authentication with the provided certificate. And option D: update the code to use HTTP request set header to set an authorization header. The correct answer is option A and B. Next question is: a company needs to automatically delete sensitive information after 7 years. This could delete almost a million records every day. How can this be achieved? Option A: use aggregate functions to query for records older than 7 years and then delete the aggregate result objects. Option B: perform a SOSL statement to find records older than 7 years and then delete the entire result set. Option C: schedule a batch Apex process to run every day that queries and deletes records older than 7 years. And option D: schedule an @future process to query records older than 7 years and then recursively invoke itself in 1000 record batches to delete them. The correct answer is option A. Next question is: an organization contains two custom objects, Building C and Office C. Office C has a lookup field to Building C. A developer is asked to automatically populate the number of offices C field on the Building C object with the count of related Office C records anytime an Office C record is created or deleted. The developer cannot modify the field types which solution meets the requirements. Option A: flow. Option B: workflow. Option C: Apex trigger. And option D: process builder. The correct answer is option B. Next question is: in which of the following scenarios Would it be acceptable to use programmatic sharing instead of declarative sharing? Choose three options. Option A. Every record created by sales user needs to be visible to their respective manager. Option B. Poor performance when using native sharing components. Option C. Team functionality is required on custom objects. And option D. There is an existing external system of truth for user access assignments, which will continue to drive access and be integrated with Salesforce. And option E. You need to change record access to read write for all users utilizing a Lightning component. The correct answer is option B, C, and D. Next question is, how long is field history retained? Option A, 18 months. Option B, 12 months. Option C, 24 months. Option D, 6 months. And option E, 36 months. The correct answer is option A. Thank you.